Scars. Do you know that every individual on this planet has some or other scars, either on their physical body, either on mental body, or on emotional body. Somewhere we all have been a victim. We have gone through so much pains and trauma. Some see it in a physical body, like through accident or some physical abuse, acid attack, surgery, anything that could be very traumatic. And there are times, we are not able to see those marks on our body and we start rejecting our own body. When we talk about emotional body, the heartbreaks, the toxic relationship, betrayals, so these are also some scars that leaves deep impact on us. For that reason, we are not able to trust any other relationship around us, so whether it's friendship or love affair, marriage, or anything. And when we talk about mental scars, it's about the torture that you might have gone or I might have gone through at one particular time, and that has led to acute depression, anxiety, stress, and that has locked our thinking capacity, where after a certain point we are not able to think or take any actions or do. We have just surrendered it, or we have just left it, and we just don't want to think about it. So every scars has its own story, its own memory. As I see it, there are many who are not able to deal with it. There's a lot of fear. There are a lot of triggers that are suppressed, those emotions that are suppressed with it. And that's why when we talk about physical body or emotional or mental, if anyone wants to talk about, or if anyone just points towards that scar, we get upset. We just don't want to talk about it. We just run away from it. But we need to understand one thing, that these scars have somewhere helped us to, to open our eyes and to see what is happening around. The physical scar, for example, yes, we have got those scars, and maybe through accident or anything that has happened, you have lost your confidence in that entire process. But the life has given you a second chance to live, and the scars are the reminder over there that you have been given a chance to live. Stop body shaming yourself. Stop being afraid what people are going to think about it. Because if you're only going to reject the scar on your body, whether it's those stitch marks or those acid attack scars or any physical that has bruises on your body, if you're going to reject that, the entire world will see you in that way. Why do we want to see ourselves as a victim? Why can't we see ourselves as beautiful as we are? We need to give chance to ourselves, to our body. Similarly to our emotional body, if we have gone through a toxic relationship or we have seen a betrayal and heartbreaks, it's okay. Not every relation you are going to go through it. Somewhere you have got your awareness and you know that now you need to be extra careful and you need to take every steps carefully. So you don't have to stop yourself being into a relationship, whether it's even a friendship also. You need to give a chance to life. You need to give a chance to this relationship. When we talk about mental body, yes, we might have gone through a lot at some point, and for that reason we don't want to think about it. But what is the point of keeping yourself stuck in that depression, in that thought process, and why you want that anxiety and panic attacks every time haunting you and stopping you from living your life? Scars cannot stop you from living your life. It cannot stop us from breathing. Scars are just a reminder that we have come out from something massive and we are strong enough to deal with it, and we are strong enough to live our life. We are like phoenix, that every time we burn ourselves and we rise from our ashes. So next time if you get a scar on your body or on your emotional body or mental body, just don't get upset with it. Address it and ask what lessons you have learned from it. Accept it. Deal with it. Take help. And if there are past wounds that needs to be addressed, take a help from your therapist, from your friends. Talk about it rather than suppressing it, because life is meant to be lived. If once you start healing yourself, you will see that the scars are nothing but beautiful lessons, a chapter that has helped you to grow, to evolve, and to make you a better person on this planet. I hope this video was helpful and you have got a lot of insights on this. I am Megha Kothari, I am a spiritual coach, and thank you for listening and watching this video. Atma Namaste.